Hello everyone. Okay, if you watched my video on how to make these, I'm going to now bling some up for you. On this one I'm going to use little rhinestones on the actual sticker itself, on the name. So I'm going to take one silver one for the middle of the A. And I'm just going to put some hot glue in there, not a whole lot because I don't want it oozing out. Just glue that in there like that. Okay, and then I've got two different size black ones. For the smaller letters, I'm going to use these tiny ones, and then for the M, I'm going to use a little bit bigger ones. So I'm going to go ahead and put some glue there. Just push that down. Okay, so I did the M and the A. Now I'm going to do the B. And I'm not putting a lot, just a little bit. The reason why I don't know if you can tell, I put these upside down because they're easier to grab if you put them upside down. Now for the S. And then I just need to pull off all those strings of hot glue. Look at that. Look how cute that is. And you can make that so easily. You don't need anything special to make this. I just used glitter paper from the scrapbooking section, scrapbooking stickers, and then a few rhinestones. And then, you know, I could also add some stars. I got these are from the Christmas section, so they won't have them right now. But you can find, you know, different kinds of things like this. I'm just going to glue half of it because half of it's going to be hanging off. Just push it down like that. And I always pull off this foam sticker thing. I don't like it. Again, I'm going to glue half of it. And push it down like that. And I could put another rhinestone on it if I wanted to. On the black somewhere. I mean on the black on the silver. Or red ones if I have red ones. And I could do music notes and stuff like that. Football stickers, football embellishments, just whatever you wanted to use. You know, you could use stars for anything or anyone. Look how cute that is. Anybody can do that and put that on their mum and make such a huge difference on their mum. I've got another one here that I made with stickers, and then this one is foam, glitter foam with a sticky backing, and then this is just glitter paper. So on this one I'm going to put a little bit of diamond mesh on it, which you can find just about anywhere. And I'm trying to decide if I want it right around the edge or right there. I think I'll do it right there. So to start out, I'm just going to hot glue a little bit of a line. I don't want to go too far because it'll start to dry. But that lets it cool down just a little bit so I don't burn myself. Okay. It doesn't need very much, just a little tiny amount. sure you're pushing it in there. Okay, we got another little piece here. You can use several little pieces and just push them together. It doesn't have to be one long piece. You won't be able to tell. Just make sure they match in the same size. Look how simple that was and how much that added to it. Doesn't take much effort at all to just, you know, do these little touches, and it adds so much to your mums. And if you're trying to get a business started, people will notice these things that you're doing like that make them unique and special. And if you make them special for their, you know, for their babies, they're going to be really super happy with you. So see how cute that was? I mean, and I don't have to do anything else to that. If it was for a boy, you know, I wouldn't even have put that on there, and then I could find, you know, I could cut out some smaller ones of this and put on there, or like I said, some footballs or basketballs, or, you know, you could just use your trinkets, your regular plastic trinkets, and put on each side. It doesn't matter. I could get some more of these rhinestones, some big ones if they're not too big, and put on there. Got black ones, I got silver ones. You can find a lot of this kind of stuff at dollar stores. Search the craft stores, search your clearance sections at the craft stores. Just, you know, be thrifty. That's what I use coupons. Just shop around and buy this stuff all year long. You buy a little bit at a time, and you'll have all kinds of unique things to use on your mums. Here you go. I mean, that is just super cute, and I think anybody would love to have that on their mum. Thanks for watching, guys.